ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರುಮೇ ದೇವ ಸರ್ವಕಾಲೇಶು ಸರ್ವದಾ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಾನು ಕುಸುಮ. ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಲರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಹೊಡೆಕ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಕಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ 6 ಜುಲೈ 2026 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ.
A very warm and pleasant good afternoon to all. I Vidya Lakshmi, and it's my honor and pride to welcome our esteemed DAIMLER guest, leadership team and every HODEK family member to join the Q Prime Kickoff event 6 July 2026 conducted by DAIMLER and HODEK Vibration Technologies Private Limited. Now I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem and followed with Lord Shri Ganesha prayer.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे. गाहे तव जय गाता. जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. जय हिंद.
ಕಾಯಕವೇ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವೇ ಪರಮೋದ್ದೇಶ. ಗಣನಾಯಕಾಯ ಗಣದೈವತಾಯ ಗಣಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ ಎಂಬ ಗಣೇಶನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಗೀತೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯುಕ್ತ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಅಕ್ಷತಾ, ಫಿರ್ದೌಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ.
ಗಣನಾಯಕಾಯ ಗಣದೈವತಾಯ ಗಣಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ. ಗುಣಶರೀರಾಯ ಗುಣಮಂಡಿತಾಯ ಗುಣೇಶಾನಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ. गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि. एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि. गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि. गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने. गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे. गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने. गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे. गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय. गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय. गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि. गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि. गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि. एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि. गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि. गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ವಿಘ್ನ ಬಾರದಂತೆ ಗಣೇಶನನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ದೈವಿ ಕಳೆ ತಂದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
We will now move forward with the agenda. Safety guidelines, lamp lighting ceremony, welcome address, corporate video presentation, keynote address, Q Prime intro, peer supplier experience sharing, roadmap strategies and core time intro, Q Prime kickoff and vote of thanks. Now I am welcoming and requesting Mr. Manikandan to share the safety guidelines.
So, good afternoon, team. Are you more anxious? Okay. Okay. So, I am briefing about the safety protocols. So, we are in the green color area where we are sitting here. So, above my front, there is one emergency gate. On the right side, one emergency gate is there. And above behind there also one emergency gate. And we have three safe assembly points are there. One is on the right side and one is on the back side. Any mock drills or anything, we are not going to do it. Only the functions will be there. Any fire alarm, we will be there. We will guide you on this. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for the safety guidelines.
ಶುಭಂ ಕರೋತಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಂ ಧನ ಸಂಪದ ಶತ್ರುಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಶಾಯ ದೀಪಜ್ಯೋತಿ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಘಟ್ಟ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯಮಾನ್ಯರು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲಿಸುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Today, we don't just talk about the quality, we commit to it. Q Prime is our promise to ourselves, to our customer, and to the future of this organization. As a symbol of knowledge, clarity, and the dispelling of a darkness, may this light guide us towards a future of zero defect, zero compromise quality. Today, begin this auspicious occasion, I respectfully invite Mr. Piyush Arora, Mr. Ganesh Shetty, Mr. Hariharan, Honorable Abhijit, respected Vijay Kumar, Mr. Manikandan, and Mr. Nagraj Kakol to kindly come forward for the ceremonial lamp lighting. I also request all the attendees please join us with witnessing the lamp lighting ceremony. I'll request Mr. Sushant Kubar to address this event.
Piyush Arora, General Manager Procurement and NPD DAIMLER. General Manager Supply Quality and Development. Mr. Pradeep, Associate Divisional Manager Supply Quality and Development. Mr. Gopi, Associate Divisional Manager Supply Quality and Development. Mr. Hariharan, the Quality IGL and Heel Bar support when we go for this journey. We also welcome Abhi sir, Vijay sir and the entire HODEK team. So if you remember last time this year we started a new plant, and with the help of our customers and our efforts, the plant has commenced and now is in production. So today we are come together for the Q Prime kickoff, a great initiative by our esteemed customer DAIMLER, which will help us believe in quality, production smoothly, effectively, and without any obstacles or any concerns. Thus, this initiative, we can build a quality culture that will help us give a zero defect approach and work on that. This platform includes various standards that will help us develop ourselves and resolve industrial challenges. Q Prime provides structural approach for continuous improvement. Gopi sir will help us and will also give the guidelines how we should go ahead and achieve this in 9 months. On the behalf of entire HODEK team, we assure the DAIMLER team that we will give our full commitment and strive wholeheartedly and achieve targets following all the guidelines and specifications given by DAIMLER. And with these words, we officially start the event. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your meaningful insights. So, we all know HODEK vibration completed 50 years, and now it's a time to showcase our journey in front of all.
Thanks for the lovely glimpse. Now I'll take a pride to invite Honorable Abhijit to address this event. Welcome, sir, on the dais. He has also have a more than 20 plus years rich industrial experience, and he has been driving force behind our organization growth, transformation and commitment to the customer excellence.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all. I welcome my colleagues, DICV team and my HODEK family all together It's been a pleasure here standing in front of you with this great event of the Q Prime starting. I'll just like to brief in you guys that we started talking to Daimler in 2012 or 13, and we took 18 months to 24 months before we could supply the first samples. All 18 months and 24 months were going in telling us or teaching us that what Daimler is, what a supplier we stand for. And it was a great learning experience. And we never had dealt with for audit for 2 years. It was just going on. And after that, the PPAP and everything. But yes, we did achieve the something which was looked difficult at that time. And sir, I'd like to thank you all for selecting us for this program. It's a privilege for HODEK that we are selected for this. And just last line, what I would like to say, that it's 9 months, a beautiful baby is born. And I promise you, sir, our entire DICB team, that within 9 months, HODEK will be reborn and we will elevate ourselves to a new level. And thank you so much for this. All right, God bless.
Please give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now we'll have a short glimpse of Daimler.
You don't evolve by standing still. You don't innovate with indecision. And you don't make our world better by waiting. You move ahead by moving forward. Always moving forward. Forward has magic. It turns potential into motion and dreams into reality. Forward shapes history, solves problems, sparks change, and revolutionizes how we all progress together. Forward is why we invented the truck 130 years ago, and it's why we reinvented it again and again and again. With every mile and every kilometer we move forward, we help create a better future. Safer, cleaner, smarter, and more prosperous for us all. Paving the way to what's next, and what's next after that. With the energy of more than 100,000 forward thinkers and problem solvers around the world working together as one. Always listening, always learning, and always leading. Always moving forward. Simpler, faster, stronger. Across generations, across communities, across countries and continents. Focused on what's ahead, near and far. On challenges unforeseen and roads yet traveled. Delivering the right things for the right reasons at the right time, the right way. Because where forward leads, where we lead, a better world follows.
Thanks for the beautiful video. I would like to invite a great Mr. Piyush Arora from DICV on Dayas, who has 20+ experience in a various MNCs and OEMs with the expertise in procurement and NPD. Welcome you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for the invite today. It was a great pleasure to see this plant. And one thing which I mentioned to Abhijit when I entered this plant and I sat in this office is that being an Indian company, I think this is one of the best plants I have seen in terms of the 5S you people have created. And I think the full credit of this plant goes to your middle management, the thinking and the strategies of your top management, and especially the people who are on the shop floor. When I came to know that almost 18% of the diversity of this plant is the women, right? So I think going more and more, it is about women power which will take this country forward. And I'm proud to say that in Daimler globally, our Daimler Global CEO is a lady. Our Daimler Global CFO, she is a lady. And the coming up Daimler Global HR head is also a lady. So you people can recognize how the world is changing very fast. So it is not the men's space anymore. And I want somebody of you standing on this dais, maybe in next 5 years to come, somebody from the shop floor, right? So don't think that you're working on the machines, you're working on the shop floor and you don't have, the opportunities to get to the management level. You all have those opportunities. And I would request all of you to believe in yourself and also to consider yourself as powerful enough to rise in your careers and to come to this level. So this was something unprepared. I came here. So I had my speech, which I'll definitely give. But this is what I felt when I came to your plant and I saw what you people have been doing until now. So good morning, good afternoon everyone once again. At Daimler Trucks, quality is not merely a performance metric. It is the foundation of customer trust and the cornerstone of our brand. Every component supplied by our business partners contributes directly to the safety, reliability, and the performance that our customers expect from every vehicle bearing the Daimler Trucks name. HODEK Vibrations is an important partner in this commitment. The component you manufacture may represent only one component within a complex vehicle we make, but its significance extends far beyond its size. In manufacturing, the strength is not determined by the dimensions of the part, it is defined by the consistency, reliability, and ability to perform flawlessly through its life cycle. The foundation of every world-class product is established long before the final assembly. It begins on the production floor, in machine shops, laboratories, and the quality systems, where precision is embedded into every process and quality becomes an organization culture rather than a functional responsibility. This is why the relationship between Daimler Trucks and HODEK Vibrations goes beyond a conventional customer-supplier association. It is a strategic partnership built on a shared objective, delivering uncompromising quality and creating lasting value for our customers. At the same time, we must acknowledge the opportunities that lie ahead. Recurring quality concerns, deviations from process discipline, reactive problem-solving approaches, and customer disruptions indicate the need to further strengthen operational excellence and build greater robustness across the value chain. This is precisely where the Q Prime plays a crucial role. Q Prime is not simply an assessment or an audit program. It is a structured framework designed to elevate quality performance by strengthening systems, enhancing process maturity, driving preventive thinking, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Its purpose is clear. Number one, to transition from detecting defects to preventing them, from reacting to issues to anticipating risks. And the third is from meeting requirements to achieving the excellence in whatever you do. Throughout this initiative of Q Prime, we have a valuable opportunity to jointly evaluate current practices, identify systematic improvement areas, and establish sustainable processes that consistently deliver the highest standards of quality expected by the Daimler Trucks and our customers worldwide. The success of this journey depends on the collective ownership, quality cannot reside within a single department. It must be embraced by every individual at every level of the organization. Sustainable excellence is achieved when leadership, operations, quality, maintenance, engineering, and the support functions work all together. We firmly believe that HODEK Vibrations possesses the capability, expertise, and the potential to achieve world-class standards. The objective of Q Prime is not to identify the shortcomings, but to unlock opportunities, strengthen your capabilities, and support the development of a resilient and future-ready manufacturing organization. Let us view this assessment as a platform for honest reflection, collaborative learning, and meaningful improvement. Together, we can strengthen the processes, enhance customer confidence, and build a partnership that serves as a benchmark for quality and operational excellence. Thank you for the participation, commitment, and the support. We look forward in embarking this Q Prime journey together and achieving new benchmarks of the excellence. Let's together make quality a competitive advantage, a shared responsibility, and a source of pride for both our organizations. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Please give a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir, your valuable words and motivational speech.
When I came here, I got an opportunity to be, blessed by your management with some bouquets. But I believe those bouquets are for you people here. So I requested 2 bouquets here. Can I invite all ladies on the floor here, please?
Sir, please give a big round of applause.
Give them a big hands. Once again, thank you.
Hey, please, everybody, please come. You can sit. Thanks, madam. Thank you. Sir, you can be in the center, sir. You can be in the center. Hand over to sir. Hey, stage la order hoge. Some people can be down. ಬೇಡವಾ ನಡೀತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ ನಾನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಬಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಅನಿಕೇತ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಲ್ ವುಮನ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ Thumbs up. So what award we will get it? Platinum. Thank you so much. Thank you for organizing this, sir. Thank you so much. So please take your seats carefully.
Thank you all. ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಮೈಕಲ್ ರವರು ಕಾರಣಾಂತರಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಸಭೆಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರ ಅನುಭವದ 4 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to the kickoff of the Q Prime journey. This journey is about looking ahead, about preparing ourselves for what the future demands. And that brings me to a simple question worth reflecting on. What if quality was not inspected at the gate, but owned at the source? That thought lies at the heart of Q Prime. What sets Q Prime apart is this. It is unique and truly transformative. It goes beyond conventional performance metrics. It focuses on capability building, innovation, and long-term competitiveness. And what makes it truly special is the spirit of collaboration. This is not about Daimler Truck alone, and it is not about supplier partners alone. It is about growing together stronger. Looking ahead, the future will bring new challenges. Rapid technology change, geopolitical shifts, evolving customer expectations, and continued cost pressure. This only requires the need of agility and sustainability. The question is not whether change will come. The real question is how prepared are we to embrace it? Through Q Prime, we aim to equip all of us to be future ready. This journey will help you strengthen processes, enhance quality, improve efficiency, and adopt global best practices. At the same time, it will help us building a stronger supply ecosystem, a more resilient one, more competitive, and a true win-win partnership. I encourage all of you to participate actively. Stay committed and make the most of this opportunity. Let us challenge ourselves to move from good to great, from meeting expectations to setting benchmarks. In our India business unit, where we started 5 years ago, we have 22 certified supplier partners, with 21 more in the pipeline. This year, we are happy to onboard 33 supplier partners. And as we go global through our Indonesia business unit, we are also onboarding 6 strategic supplier partners. Together, let us build a future that is stronger, smarter, and more sustainable. Our destination is a self-certified supplier base, a place where quality is owned at the source, not inspected at the gate. Because when we invest in suppliers, we don't just improve products. We build a resilient, future-ready supply chain, built to innovate for the world. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your commitment to Q Prime. And I wish you all the very best.
ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಮೈಕಲ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
I would like to invite great personality Mr. Ganesh Shetty from DICV on dais and deliver his presentation on Q Prime end-to-end transformation.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದವನೇ. ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಕುಂದಾಪುರ, ಉಡುಪಿ ಪಕ್ಕ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದಿ HODEK management team for accepting this Q Prime and your commitment, and also to the way you are working towards the enhancing the quality. So thank you so much for these commitments, right? This is a very important initiative. This initiative is not only the certifications, right? The Q Prime is not only the certifications. This is about the creating the cultures, how you are changing the cultures and for the long-term stability. The long-term stability and prevent the issue proactively. ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹೊಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. ಗುಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಿರೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಕಲ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? मैं उनके लिए बताता हूँ. मैं एक पूछा था कि कितने लोगों को साइकिल चलाने आता है, और कितने लोग साइकिल चलाते वक्त गिरे हुए हैं? तो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल सब लोग तो गिरे हुए हैं. सो कितने लोग साइकिल सीखने के बाद गिरे हैं? लोग तो ऑलमोस्ट कोई गिरता नहीं कि साइकिल सीखने के बाद. दैट ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಚರು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೆಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಜರ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಂತ. ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? End to end journey means the each and every department starting from the shop floor, operations, quality management, the facility management, HR, everybody will be involved. Andre ella team involved agirutte and ella level of the people involved agirutte. How the facility management is involved, one question kelbodu ನೀವು. Facility management involved ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so I have just read on one article this the broken window theory anta. Broken window theory ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This is mainly for the management, right? So broken window theory ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so if you see the small broken windows in the washroom also diverts the mindset of the people. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಐ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬ್ರೇಕೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ವಿಂಡೋ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ? ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ slowly they will adapt to that. Okay, small dent damage ಇದೆ, small burr ಇದೆ, small deviation ಇದೆ, it will not impact actually the production, but they try to clear that. So that will create the negative culture. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. This actually, if you see the two pictures, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೋತ್ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಎರಡು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, 5 years ಅಂತಾರೆ, 1 years 2 years 3 years 5 years ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜು ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಲಿನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಿಷಿನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಲಿನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತನಕ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ರಾಮ್ ಲಿಂಕನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿನ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಎ 6 hours ಟು ಚೋಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇಟ್, ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಚೋಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೀ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 4 hours ಟು ಶಾರ್ಪನ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೋರಿಲೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲೇ, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲೇ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಸೊ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕೂಲೆಂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಗೇಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದಿ 5 years ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನಿನೆಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ in the manufacturing facility, normally in the hurry we have to produce more and we have to deliver more. We don't concentrate on these things. We have to invest time for setting up the machines and see the machines, everything is okay or not. These things we have to actually work on that. Check, do, check. Check, do, check ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಫಸ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅದು ಮೆಷಿನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಷಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋ ಮೊದಲು ಅದ್ರ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಫೈನಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಟ್ರಕ್. So you should not feel that, okay, I am producing small parts. You have to be proud that, okay, you are producing or contributing for the manufacturing the truck. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 80 ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 80 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ರೈಟ್. ನೀವು ಏನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಿ ಭಾರತ್ ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ದಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಕ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ finally, I would like to thank once again the HODEK management team and wish you all a very successful Q Prime journey. Thank you. Thanks.
Please give a round applause. Thank you, sir, for your meaningful words. And what you explained us, it's a really worth, and we'll commit to it.
ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಘಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಗೋಪಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Now this part is which we all are waiting for. It's a Q Prime introduction. I request Mr. Gopi come on dais and introduce about a Q Prime. Please put your hands together for it.
Good afternoon all. I am Gopi. I am your Q Prime consultant. Anyway, I'm not going to speak in Kannada because after Ganesh's speech, it is very difficult to connect the people. First, I would like to thank Mr. Ganesh sir for providing the valuable insight with respect to the customer expectation. Before I start, many of you may have this question. HODEK organization is doing very good in the performance. Why this Q Prime is needed now? So the answer is very simple. So whatever the current practices we are doing now may be sufficient for today, but for the future world, this may not be sufficient. So that is why the Q Prime is needed now. Q Prime is not only the quality program, it is a journey of creating the culture or building the culture towards the consistent improvement, commitment and the process and system. So before going to the Q Prime introduction, I would like to explain the current real case example why this cultural transformation is needed. So all of us know about this global crisis, gas crisis. The interesting part is here, the crisis is common for all the companies, but the difference is how other companies face this or handle these challenges. So on the left side, we have the companies which are struggled to handle this crisis. They have followed the reactive based approach. Because of that, there is a production disruption and the customer is impacted. On the other side, there is a companies that are handled very well not because they have more peoples, more resources, not because they have a different kind of technologies, but because they have a proactive based approach and they had a strong process and system and adherence. So the lesson learning here is the organization as the strong culture will be resilient to any kind of challenges. That is the lesson learned here. So that is why Q Prime is needed. The Q Prime is the culture of, it is the program journey to build the culture of commitment, process and systems. So this gas crisis, only the crisis now, this is one of the example of crisis. In future, we may have to face these kind of many challenges. So these kind of challenges we cannot avoid. We cannot control over these challenges. So what we can do is we can build a culture, a strong culture that can handle this kind of crisis in a proactive manner. So that is where Q prime comes in. So coming to the Q prime principle, the Q prime principle wheel has three spokes: commitment, process and system, and the consistency. Commitment means we all people have in an organization with some purpose and to achieve some goal. So I should own that commitment. I should own that responsibility. That is called the commitment. So next is process and system. To achieve that particular goal, how to do is the process and system, like SOPs, procedures, work instruction. These are all comes to the process and system. Then next is the consistency. So one day doing as per the process is okay, it is not okay. Every day we have to practice the same process without any deviation. This is the expectation of the Q prime principle. On the right side we have a matrix. So this matrix will tell about the current as it is condition of our process or the company. So this has two axes. The x-axis talks about the process robustness, and the y-axis talks about the adherence level. So for example, we have a manual process with a high adherence. So that may be sufficient for today. But when the man changes, there may be a system failure will happen. So always we have to focus on the higher adherence and the robust process. That is our target. So in Q prime, all the process and system, we will do evaluation as per this matrix only. So coming to the Q prime journey, this Q prime journey has 7 steps. We start with the awareness. So this Q prime kickoff event, it's a part of awareness program. Then the step 2 is the assessment. So in the complete Q prime journey, the assessment is having the more importance, because this will tell about our current as it is condition, where we are strong and where we have to improve. And another uniqueness about this assessment is, this assessment will be performed by our own people, because the process owner, they are the best judge to audit their own area. So we will be, as a DICV, we will be supporting how to do this assessment. So the third step is improvement. So in the journey, this improvement pays us the lengthier duration, because the complete transformation of your process and system will happen here only. So we need a total employee involvement and support is required here. Sorry. So then after the improvement, there is a measure to verify the effectiveness of our improvement, whether it is whatever improvement we have done, whether effectiveness is there or not, that we will check in the measure. Then fifth step is the evaluation. So during the evaluation, this evaluation will be done by the Daimler person. So there is a criteria. If you pass the criteria, then only we can move to the next step. So once we pass this criteria, immediately we will not provide the certificate. It will be moved to the next step, that is a sustenance period, that we will monitor your performance for next 3 months. So if you pass that sustenance period also, as a final step, you will be awarded as a Q prime certified supplier. So additional to our support, there is a navigator book is already handed over to HODEK team. This has 25 plus tools. So this can be used as a, whenever we need to upgrade our process, benchmark our practices, this navigator will help us to implement the best practices. I recommend HODEK team to implement immediately and start using this navigator immediately. And finally, we have a concept called peer supplier concept also as a third person. So who has already gone through this complete journey of Q prime and already certified by the Q prime certification. He will also be supporting in terms of benchmark practices, knowledge sharing. In that point, he will support. So this journey is about the commitment, consistency, and the continual improvement. So let us work together and we'll achieve this Q Prime program. Now I will request Mr. Hariharan from IJL team, quality head, to brief about the Q Prime journey and experience. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Hariharan from India Japan Lighting, Chennai. I'm coming from Chennai. First of all, we'd like to thank Daimler management and team and HODEK's management and the team for inviting us for this excellent Q Prime program. Of course, first of all, it is a wonderful event. I think today you are experiencing today. Maybe if you got, maybe after 9 months, you will have a lot of excitement during this entire journey of Q Prime. Of course, if you see the transformation, how it was happened at IJL. So IJL, if you see from, I can say from 2009 onward, we started supplying headlamp to Daimler. So this lamp was designed in the year 2006 and 7. And this line was almost, we can say, around 25 years old, close to 25 years old, where we are running multiple products in the line. Of course, if you see this line, basically we have a lot of abnormality with respect to safety, quality, productivity, and human development. These challenges are available in the Daimler line. Since it's an old line, if you compare with the new line and Daimler line, you can able to see a lot of difference are available with respect to technology changes and with respect to systems and process. And when we started this Q Prime initiative from Daimler, of course, since you are the 4th batch, IJL is at 2nd batch, we came to know through our marketing head. We had a detailed mail which was received from Daimler. So IJL is selected for the 2nd batch of Q Prime. Then our marketing head called me and told this new Q Prime program we are going to start. We are going to launch with support of Daimler. Then immediately I said, no sir, this year don't accept. We have a lot of layout changes is going to happen. There are a lot of new project is going to happen. So this year it is very difficult. So please don't accept. Then he is repeatedly torturing me. Sorry to say this. Repeatedly he is giving a lot of calls and tortures since he is getting a lot of pressure from Daimler. So what we had is, we thought let us go to the suppliers who already got this Q Prime certificate in first batch. Without informing to Daimler team, we went to the supplier partner and we checked how is the program. Because we also thought, because it is a basic thinking, of course you also supplying to many OEMs. So we thought it is similar to other OEM, how they are doing this improvement activity. We also thought the similar kind of improvement activity. When we go there and we understand how this before condition of the plant, how this transformation has happened in the entire plant. Of course, we are so much thrilled to see this experience learning. We could able to see a lot of transformation in the companies. It is not one company, almost we visited 3 companies of Daimler supplier who already got the certificate. Then we came to know, of course, yes, there is a different strategy which is not followed by all OEM. Daimler is following a unique strategy. Of course, we should immediately kickstart this program. Then immediately I called my marketing head and told, please start immediately, sir. We are okay for this. Then he also don't know the background. Then immediately he said. Then of course we had this kickoff meeting. And what we made is, I told already, it is a very old line. Of course, one of the plant is old plant. If you see our new plant, of course, it is ultra modern plant. When compared to old plant, of course, management also had a bit hesitance for making investment in the old plant. So that challenge is available. With this program, what we made is, first step what we made is, so basically we done the 5S. What we did is, one Sunday, we called all employees with support of Daimler team. Even Daimler team has came on the Sunday. We called all employees of IJL, including top to bottom. What we did is, we completely cleaned the factory. What we made is, we marked the area, whichever is not required for your department. It is not only on production, the entire factory, from incoming to outgoing, including office and other area, whichever the things which is not required, whichever the things which is not in use, we earmarked the area and we kept aside. The beauty is, we came to know around 20 tons of material, which was unused in the factory, which came after this program. So the biggest challenge in, especially on Chennai factory, we have a lot of challenges on space. So what we did is, we are planning to rent one neighbor building, so that we want to rent this area for the expansion. After this 5 years drive, we got the space, good amount of space. So with that, without having any investment, immediately we got the space. This is one beauty. Similarly, I can say n number of example over the Q Prime program. So similarly, there are transformation has happened. One of the beauty of this Q Prime program, it is different from other program. It is not like a top-down approach. It is basically a bottom-up approach, where as Taichi Ono-san, who is the father of TPS, he used to say, before we produce a product, we must develop people. So that is the concept of TPS, mantra of people. So what he is doing, we used to develop this Q Prime program, basically more focus on people development rather than process improvement and system improvement. If you start develop people, so if you start develop people, automatically you can able to develop process and system. So that is the thinking way behind this program. So it is a bottom-up approach, so that if you start developing people, so who make the difference? Finally, people make the difference in any organization. So that is why they are developing people. So with that, we could able to get a lot of transformation in IGL. One of the beauty is continuous engagement. So it is not like other program. We used to have repeated visit from Daimler. We used to go to other supplier partners of Daimler. We used to go to Daimler. There should be a continuous engagement between Daimler team and your company, so that this motivation level is going up, so that we can able to understand Daimler team will come to the shop floor. The program is like, we can say, I do, we do, you do. It is not like you do. It is like I do, we do, you do. The concept is Daimler will come and they will showcase how to do. Then we have to jointly work together with Daimler. We have to like we do. Then finally only it is like you do. So like IGL, we had a lot of challenges with respect to SRR rating, where there is a challenges in quality and delivery previously, I can say 3-4 years back. After this Q Prime initiative, the complete line gas transformed with this last 26 months. It is not 1 month, 2 months. Last 26 months, we are continuously achieving 0 ppm. We are continuously achieving 100% on-time delivery with good customer satisfaction. Of course, we got recently, very recently, we got Best Supplier Runner-Up Award from Daimler for quality recently. This is how our transformation has happened. The transformation, whatever I am saying about the result, this was happened mainly because of this Q Prime program. The final day, which was happened during the Q Prime evaluation, which was completely explained by the team member, operator, who has done the transformation, who only explained this Q Prime journey, because he only involved a lot. There are many workability issues. The important is, the pain point is, there are many workability issues which was unaddressed. It was unaddressed. So because of this Q Prime program, there are many pain points of operator which was getting addressed, so that they started automatically coming and engaging to this program. So please utilize this opportunity, which is, I can say, one of the excellent program which is available globally. Whatever we are experiencing, the similar feedback we got from Koito, Japan also. They also told this is a unique program. So we are not stopped with that. What we are doing now is, we are developing this concept to our supplier partners. What we made is, we called this program, instead of Q Prime, we call it as K Prime. This is nothing but, we are from Koito group of company. What we made is, we call it as K Prime, Koito Prime. We developed this concept around 6 supplier partners. Almost last financial we completed 6 supplier partners. Of course, we improved, there are complete transformation has happened with the supplier partner. Similarly, how we are developing our supplier partners also. There is an end-to-end development which is happening at IGL. So one of the beauties, without having any consultancy charges, Daimler is doing free of cost. Please utilize this opportunity. And we are the peer supplier for yours. If you have any doubt or any challenges, you can call us at any time. We will be available. Whenever you are coming to Chennai, whenever your team coming to Chennai, please give me in 1 day in advance. Of course, we can able to showcase our plant. Wherever you are facing challenges with respect to Q Prime program or any other thing with respect to system and process, you can call us through Daimler team, or of course you can directly call us also, so that we can ready to support. Don't hesitate to discuss with us. We are ready to available for 24/7. We are available. Thank you once again for the Daimler team. All the best to the HODEK team and the management. Thank you all.
So on behalf of HODEK, I will take the journey book from the IJL team. So please appreciate their team.
Thank you, sir, for a goal without a plan is just a wish. Like that, to succeed in the Q Prime, there should be a plan that we already have. I request Mr. Manikandan to proceed with the roadmap and pledge.
Good afternoon. Excited are there? Okay. So first, so thanks for Piyush sir, Ganesh sir, and then Pradeep, Gopi, and Hariharan also. So whatever they have mentioned, cultural transformation, based on that only we have prepared our roadmap. So this is the roadmap. We are on the special day of kickoff. So the kickoff journey we are doing now. So we have an assessment planned on August. So already we have planned the assessment on the August 2026, and then we have planned the improvements from based on the assessment on the August 2026. We will have the improvements from September to Jan 2027, and then we will have the measure and the evaluation on January, and the evaluation will happen in the February. The sustenance of from February to May, we will be seeing that, and then we will take that, and certification will be happening on the June 27. So how we are going to achieve this roadmap? There is a strategy we have created. That's the strategy I will explain you. So already, first is any strategy, customer focus. So first is the customer focus. So already we are in the SSR rating. We are doing the good job. So continuously we have to do the same. And we are maintaining the 0 ppm. We have to maintain the same. And RFQ to PPAP, SOP, on time we will complete. And process audit score 95%. More than that, we will be always 100%. To achieve all this, there are two strategies we have created. One is people development, where Ganesh Sethi sir has mentioned, and Piyush also mentioned, and Hariharan also mentioned. So in that, we are going to do that to three things. One is 100% employee engagement, skill upgradation, and quality circle. So already the team has started the quality circle. Now also we are going to do that. Next is the process excellence. So compared to H2, H3 plant, we have done the digitalization. So now we are going to do in the H2 plant also digitalization with low cost automation and oil-free shop floor. And then my mission, my pride concept, and SMED. So with all, we will sustain the green energy and the resource optimization. So these are the strategies we are going to. Are we committed? Are we committed? Jora matadbega. Are we committed? Thank you. Next, I want to introduce my core team to sustain this all the things. So I will introduce my core team. So our sponsor is Vijay sir. Of course, Abhijit sir is the backbone of all these things. So Vijay sir is the sponsor. And we have two facilitators. One is our Milind sir from corporate quality head, and Sushant Kubal from marketing. So both are facilitating us. So our team members, I will request to call Nagaraj, Plant Quality Manager, for here to the dais. Please clap for them. And I request Gangadhar, Basavaraj, please come to the dais. And Ravi Kumar, Madhu, please come. Solpa bega barbega. Please clap for them. So I request Pooja Patil, Akash, Mallappa, Ravindra, Siddhappa. Please stand there. So I request Mr. Piyush Arara to hand over the blaze to the core team members, please. Please clap for the team. So this is the place. So all over the company it will be going there. So it is came to our plan. It is which is a bigger pride for us. Please once again clap for the Daimler team for giving this pride opportunity to us in the kickoff ceremony. Thank you. Next, I request all the team members to have a pledge. So please stand up and keep your hand on the heart. Left side. So please repeat my things, okay? As a proud member of HODEK, we commit to deliver world-class quality, reliability, customer satisfaction. We pledge to respect people and eliminate waste. Work together through teamwork, innovation, and operational excellence. Together with commitment, consistency, process discipline, and continuous improvement, we will achieve Q Prime excellence. We will achieve, na? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for standing. Thank you so much, team. Thank you. Thank you, team, for this.
Thank you, Mr. Manikandan. What we promise, let's prove tomorrow. Now it's time to appreciate HODEK team for the remarkable achievement. Now I invite Mr. Piyush Arora to felicitate HODEK team. Now I would like to call HODEK Spark team, Mr. Madhu, Mr. Murugesh and Mr. Nagaraj as the Quality Circle got a Platinum Award in a QCFI competition. Also I call HODEK Innovators who secured a Platinum Award for a barcode implementation. Please come on dais, Mr. Vinay and Mr. Bahubali. Please give a round of applause for all them. invite Mr. Ganesh Shetty from Daimler, also inviting respected Vijay Kumar and Honorable Abhijit to launch the Q Prime kickoff. Please stay on the device for the launch of kickoff Q Prime. Please start the glitter flooring.
Yeah, welcome, give your demand and start pouring. Start ಅಂತಂದು, okay?
Please start pouring the glitter, sir. Wow, what an incredible launch. Please put our hands together for this amazing launch.
Please give a big round of applause. The sound should be much more. Yeah. This idea is given by our quality team member. So, Mr. Lokesh. So, all of our team members are expected to come here so we can have a group photo. Please, ma'am. Everybody can come. Please have a. Please have the backside. Some of them be on the top. Madam, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Careful, careful. No problem. So, madam, you can sit it in the front. Gopi sir and Pradeep sir, please come on. Hariharan, please come on the dais, please. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬರಿ. ಚಂದ್ರು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ಲೆ. ಓಕೆ. So Gopi and Pradeep sir, please come front. Very good. Yeah. So this idea is given by one of our quality member, Mr. Lokesh. I want to appreciate. Lokesh, where are you? He is the guy who has given this idea. Thank you team. Thank you so much. So please be careful. Slowly you get down on the stairs. Please be careful on this. So we will laminate this and we will keep it, sir. Hey, let it be like this. Afterwards we will move it. After. So please take care of seat. Please take care of seat.
Thank you so much, everyone, to be a part of this Q Prime launch.
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ವಂದನಾರ್ಪಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
We lit the lamp today, but the light we carry forward is the standard we now hold ourselves to. Last but not the least, I request respected CEO Vijay Kumar to give the vote of thanks, who has a 30+ years of professional and leadership experience to bring deep expertise, strategic vision, and operational excellence to our organization. Once again, inviting you, sir.
Good afternoon, dear customer, and IJL also. Good afternoon, friends. How is the Josh? ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಹಾಂ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ನಾ? ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜರ್ನಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆ ಥರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿವೇ ವೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಇದೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟು S2 for the Q Prime ceremony, for the tape cutting. And also we try to do one more Q Prime photograph there. That's what you are planning after this. So first of all, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. So you have taken a lot of time. First and foremost important thing to Mr. Piyush, Mr. Ganesh, Gopi and Pradeep. You have taken in your time in difficult, we know how much you have planned, that you have been planning this from long time. Getting your time is not so easy, I know that, but still I am very, very thankful for that. And on behalf of entire my team, I am thankful to you. Thank you so much. ನಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. And Hariharan especially, he has took a lot of pain to come from Belagav. That's what you could late reach because of rain. Thank you, and you have given very good note to us that no fear for us to achieve the Q Prime. For that, thank you so much again, once again to you. So, again, I sincerely thank our Executive Director, Abhijit, his vision and the continual improvement, what he thinks, that is motivating, making us to take any challenge. ಅದೇ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿ. ನಾವು S2 S3 ಬರೋದು, ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಮಿ ಆಟೋಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್, ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆಟೋಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಗೋಪಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ simple, moderate and high. The simple, moderate, high, we can compare ourselves here. ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಭಿಜಿತ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸುಶಾಂತ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೀಫಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ, Mani for taking the lead from the front, showing the action plan. Yes, of course, with IGL team, Marian team committee will interact with you, see that how we are going to integrate ourselves, and we will make success story with your support. That's what Mani will lead all of us. And it is simple. I feel as a management, as a nurse, male nurse, female nurse, whatever it is, who are staff, you guys who are working in the operator level, you are the doctors, surgeon. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ
ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರುಗಳು ಯಾರೂ ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸೋದು, ದಾರಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು. ಹಿಂಗಂದರೆ ಇಂದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕತ್ರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಚಾಕು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ನರ್ಸ್. Please try to remember this. Whatever support, whatever help, okay, for your future. I used to tell Abhijit and our chairman, sir, I want to remember now him also, because you are existing because of him today. I want to thank him as well. He has created a legacy. It is our job, all of my team, has to recreate the legacy with enhancing safety first, must. So that is what you have to create. So once again, thank you so much for all of you. There is one proverb in Sanskrit, Swadeshe Pujeta Raja, Vidwan Sarvata Pujayate. The meaning is, if you are a king, okay, the entire nation or state can respect. If you are a knowledgeable person, that means now Q prime kalt mele, we are going to have a knowledge. So when you have a gaining a knowledge, that means Gnana, the entire world will respect you. So by adopting this Q prime in our culture, we should get respected from globally. That's what important. We need not to be only in nation level or state level. That's what you have to ensure. I'm sure by this I'm guaranteeing on behalf of my team to Piyush and Ganesh and entire DSU team that will deliver your commitment beyond your expectation. That's what I am done. And also to Abhijit, yes, we'll do it right always. Thank you once again to all of you for my team, my customers, Aijal, everybody. Thank you so much. So after this, we'll go to Q from photo, then we'll go to H2. Okay? Done. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Hip hop.
So I request all staffs and employees to be staying there. Just a minute, we will take a photo and then we will discuss on that. Okay? Please be stay on the chairs. Madam.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up, please. Smile. Thank you.